There are a number of things that can occur in your workers' comp claim that I would consider claim killers. At the very least, they're going to be cause you problems. And one of the first thing is, in terms if you're receiving compensation or you're returning back to work in a light duty capacity, obviously the new AutoZone case is problematic because if you get terminated for cause, that may, sever your entitlement to temporary total disability compensation. So that, that's not great. Is that necessarily a claim killer? Maybe not if you're really just interested in getting medical treatment, but if there's a possibility that you might need to get temporary total in the future related to that claim, again, that could be a claim killer. A really, really, really bad one is if you have a work injury and then you have a new intervening injury. And whether it's, most of the time, if it's intervening injury at work, I guess that would be a new work injury. But what's really harmful is if you have a new intervening non-work related injury, it's just bad. For example, let's say you have a claim that's allowed for a lumbar sprain. You're picking up a box at work, you get a lumbar sprain, and you're off on temporary total disability, and you're driving around, and then you get in a car accident, and you end up getting a lumbar sprain. That may be used by the employer to declare that there's been an intervening injury, and the reason why you're still off work perhaps is because of that intervening injury. Or let's say you're back work and you're working in a light duty capacity, and then you have this intervening injury, and this intervening injury is the thing that makes it so you can't work. Well, you're not going to get comp in that case usually. So that's bad. What could be, it's kind of a claim killer, and this is more of a claim killer in the capacity if you're going to end up going to court, because these things can be discoverable. But if you commit some kind of serious crime, either when your claim's pending in the court case or in the past involving like dishonesty or something of this nature, that could come in, and that's going to be really bad, particularly depending on what you did, what crime you committed. What is bad is if this is another claim killer. It's not necessarily a claim killer, but it's kind of bad. But claiming if your injury involves some kind of thing that prevents you from being physically active, walking, etc., and you're claiming you can't work because of that, and then you end up going to Disney World and you post pics on social media of your trip to Disney World, that'd be bad because then it's kind of going against the idea that you're unable to function because of the work injury. Are you not allowed to go on vacations? No, but don't post them on social media. So these are some things. There's other things that are claim killers, but these are some things I've thought of. So.